Welcome back, everyone. Today, our special guest is Mohammad Umair from Pakistan, who started with FundYourFx trading in April 2026 and is currently trading a 5,000 one-step classic account. Now, Umar mainly trades gold. He uses a fixed trading approach, which he will explain to us later, and has already secured his first payout within a short period of time. In today's episode, we will talk about his early experience with FundYourFx, why he chose the one-step model, what are his plans for scale up, and what getting his first payout mean for him personally. Umair, welcome to the show, and let's get started with your journey into trading. How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you to give me the opportunity to talk. First, I just scrolling on Facebook. I just see your ad on FX. So I am the student of trading for last 3 years. So I just watch your ad and just I pick one step model because it's I you can say that I am very eagerly to get a payout, so that's why I just take one step model. So as you if you can check my trading history, I just passed my first account in just 8 to 9 days.
Wow, amazing. So,
And that
yeah,
sorry, I interrupt your voice. And most of pro firm accounts are I don't trust, so I just make a small withdrawal to check that okay, is this legal. So now I'd see my payout from Fund Your FX. So now I want to scale my account
oh,
to
that's amazing. That's
yes
amazing.
sir, yes.
So, what got you into trading? How long are you trading for, and what you started with trading?
Uh, I am just learning from 3 years ago. My friend, my friend. I am my background is a pharmaceutical company. My friend is doing trading last 5 years. So he's you can say he's a good trader. He's also good trader. Now I am convincing him to use Fund Your FX.
Amazing.
Yes,
Good, good. So, it's been 3 years. You are into the world of trading.
yes, sir.
What was the reason you choose the one-step classic account instead of other funding models?
Because one step is my personally favorite because uh, 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 which study I used, I can clear my account in just 1 day, but the minimum trading days are 5 days. That's why I used one step account. Okay, if I choose two step, then it may take to 10 days. So I just pass early. That's why I just take one step account.
Great. You said earlier to me that you're trading gold mainly, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's the reason behind that? Why do you prefer this market over other markets? Or did you already start trading other markets, other assets?
uh, because I am learning trading just only gold, so that's why I take only one pair in 3 years. So I just trade in gold last 3 years, so I have a good experience in trading in gold. That's why I chose gold.
Okay, what is your trading approach looks like? What's your strategy looks like?
First of all, I just mostly I used breakout trading, breakout, or and the my second strategy is uh, supply and demand zone.
Okay, do you trade with a trend or doesn't matter?
No, no. First I look the trend, which for trend identify I used EMA, a weekly. I used weekly trend line. Weekly. I just first of all, I just identified the trend. If the market is uptrend, I uh, I used buy on dip strategy. Most of
Okay,
conditions. Yes.
good, good. Which time frame do you use to place your trades?
First of all, I just I analyze start weekly and then goes to daily. Or when I trade in intraday, I used 4 hour and then execution in 5 or 15 minutes. But most of trading, I just use 15-minute time frame mostly.
So you are trading on the, you are analyzing on the weekly, and then what do you do after?
Weekly and then daily and then 4 hour and then and for execution I used 5 minute or 15 minute.
Okay, that's great. Do you also consider price action candlesticks as a
Yes,
part
yes,
of
yes,
your
yes,
entries? Okay.
uh yes. I price action, I use only two candle for confirmation. First of all, pin bar, which is you can say hammer, and then I only used bullish harami, but I only
Okay.
used two candlestick candles. Yes.
Okay. I like that. I interviewed a lot of traders, but you have a very specific approach, and I like it. That's good. Consistency, it's one of the best ingredients for trading profitability, right? You have already received your first payout, right? How
Yeah.
did that felt for you personally?
It's a very. I'm very glad when I receive my first payout. Because the first payout is always a great happening, great happiness. You feel a great happiness when you feel when you get or during your when you need money, when you need money and you get from a third part from trading. It's a very great
Absolutely.
experience.
Absolutely. Uh, how does it sounds or how does it feels like compared to the average wage in Pakistan, your payout, how does it comes along with that?
Sorry, I don't understand your question.
Based on the average salary in Pakistan,
The
receiving
average
a
salary.
payout from
Mhm.
trading, let's say if you put the two figures next to each other, how
Uh,
much of your time was worth it? How significant was your payout compared to, let's say, someone who works on a daily basis for a wage, for a salary?
mhm. Uh, the average salary of a Pakistani person on monthly basis, it's around 100 to $150. So when you get $100 payout, that's a huge amount for a man who is working a 9 to 5 job. So 100 and 150 around your 200 payout is a very big amount for him.
Wow,
Yes.
that's significant, and because I know your payout amount, well
Yes.
done. I mean, it's
Yes.
amazing. You did a
Yes.
great job.
When I get my first payout, then I decided to get another big account. So I have now I just I want to get a good amount. But when I see your email that you are giving me a 25k account, that's very interesting for me. That's why I I'm very interesting to give you interview to get 25k account. And I hope I get will meet again in an interview when I pass your 25k account.
Can't wait for that, honestly,
Uh,
because sometimes you have to uh, you have to have something to go for it,
yes,
not
yes,
only in trading but also in life, generally
yes, yes,
speaking.
yes,
If
yes,
you know, okay, now we are having the interview, you have a goal to reach, you have a 25k account, let's go for that, let's make some consistent profits, let's get something add on and just grow.
uh, I just personally recommend my 2 to 3 friends to get Fund Your FX account. So maybe they will get in this week. I personally convincing that they will take this account. So I think they all get 5k one step accounts. 2 to 3 friends
So
my
that's
take
amazing.
this. Yes,
They
yes,
can they can make it for themselves. Absolutely,
yes,
absolutely. They can
yes,
achieve
yes,
great results.
yes.
Uh, do you trade the same way, or let's say differently, about your risk management?
Yes,
How much
risk
do you
management.
risk per trade, or how do you
Uh,
approach your risk?
Personally, you see, the market is not a good environment in market from 3 to 4 months. So overall, I only trade on a big time frame. So because of when you go to short smaller time frame, the high you market is very volatile. You should need to set your stop loss around 200 pips sometime. Even market touch your stop loss. So that's why I used my when I start I only used big time frame. So I used 4 hour or daily swing lows. I only trade in these days. In these days, normally I use 15-minute time frame. That is enough. But now I use only used daily time frame or 14 or a 4 hour time frame. So mostly my mostly my risk management is 1:2. That's enough. If I get 50 when I trade 100 trades, when I take 100 trades, and my failure rate is 50%, yeah, my success rate is 50%. That after 1 minute, after 1 month, I also in profit. If you used 1:2, so 1:2 is enough. I think you need hello.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
uh, you see my trading history. I think I think I traded, I think 30 to 40 trades. My success rate is 80 to 85%, I think. My success rate is 80 to 85%. I only used a big time frame.
Yes. So you go for a little bit of profit, and you want
Huh?
to be consistent.
Yes, yes. Consistency, because if I start scalping, I take profit 2 3 times. Then I got in loss overall. Scalping is not a good strategy. You have a base strategy. I have when I start learning trading. First of all, I learn price action,
Yep.
mostly supply demand zone. I two candle, I you only to use two candle support, pin bar on support only.
Yes. Yes.
Only in bigger time frame, bigger
Mhm.
time frame.
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
uh,
Yes.
I want to share something. Last time when market gold market in around last bull run, so then I see a candlestick pattern, weekly time frame bullish harami candle.
Yep.
Oh, then I hold a trade. I hold a weekly trade, and
Okay.
I earn uh 15,000, 15 to 16,000, only two trades, which I hold
That's
only
great.
0.01 lots.
Okay. That's great. Great. You see, this kind of trades
Yes.
they comes once in a blue moon, but when they come, they pay out
Yes, I
well.
see. Yes, yes, yes.
What about trading psychology? Do you think it's an important part of a trader's development, trading psychology?
Trade, it's a important. It's a important. Last year, 2025, I lost $500. I lost five
Okay.
hundred dollar. When market crashes, market 43. When market touch 4380 and then return to 3886, then I
Yes.
lost my 500 account. That's a very big blow for me. So
How did you
then
come
I
back? How did
uh,
you come back? How did you reset your mindset?
then I just suddenly skip trading just for 5 days, 5 to 6 days. I skip trading, and
Okay.
then I start learning again. Okay, start learning where I got mistake. Then I find my mistake. That's a risk management.
Okay.
I can't handle my
How?
$500 account.
Okay. I have a question to ask you here because you mentioned
Yes, yes,
something very important.
yes, yes,
When you said you start learning again, did
yes.
you buy a course or did you just browse on YouTube to find some resources and learn from them?
No, I just learn when I go to 3 years ago. I only return to price action, simple price action, supply demand zone. Because last year, 2025, when I got when I lost my $500, I just changed my strategy.
Oh,
So that's a big
okay.
blow for me.
Yeah.
So my then I skip my R strategy. I have only two strategy. First of all, I use breakout strategy. Last I take a trade, and I get 1,000 pips last Friday. So
Okay. Good,
uh,
good.
I I only tell some everyone to dare use only one to two strategy, and work only and use one to two pairs, and master on it.
Okay. That's very, that comes from an experienced trader. I can see that.
Yes.
Uh, and last question before we end this podcast. What
Yes.
advice would you give to new traders who are thinking to start with a smaller funded account like yours?
I also recommend every trader to not use their personal fund, because when they use their personal fund and blow their personal account, they are disheartened and they are saying that forex is a scam, scamming, blah 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 blah. So I also recommend all traders, all newbies, या beginner. I recommend that you used a pro firm, एक legit pro firm. I also recommend used FX, FundYourFx, because I get my first payout from there. So I also
Exactly.
recommend everyone. So they use only pro firm, and then learn from it. One or two account lose your account is not a big deal. Even if you lose your fund by $100 or $200, you use their pro firm and learn from this pro firm, and then a day when you become a successful trader.
That's an amazing advice, my friend. Okay, I
Yes,
think we covered a lot of things today. So,
yes,
Umair, thank you so much for coming on and sharing your journey. It's always great to hear from traders who are at the beginning of their funded trading path and already building some momentum. Now, for everyone listening, of course, this episode is a reminder that trading success starts with small, consistent steps, strong
right.
discipline, and of course, a lot of patience. Now, if you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow the podcast and share it with another trader who's working towards their first payout. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next episode. As usual, stay focused, stay disciplined, and of course, keep improving your trading.
Thank you.